What is it?
Mommy, Mommy. Let's see what I have. Oh! See, I got one
Isn't that
too.
cute?
Mama! Now look at this. Mommy, this is for your cat. But, oh, look. Look. Weird.
It don't show the dirt then.
That's terrific. I know Chinese shoes or something. I'll help.
Oh, good. Barbie doll clothes.
Mommy.
Look at all the pictures you'll see.
How old is four?
Really?
As nasty as your shirt, Ozzy.
Hey, this is Romeo.
Oh, how nice.
Why he threw it down? So how old is four?
What are you trying to do?
with that.
Right now, he's interested in
Here, you can use it without doing it. You want to take it off? Why don't you leave it in there? That way it won't get messed up here. You can take it off.
Auntie, look at this.
Here, we'll just
what
and I'll move these out of the way for you.
Mommy,
Like you said, that-
Ooh, and a hot pad.
Here you go, Aaron. You want to try this a little bit? Have you used this before?
And bedroom
You're a
shoes?
good man.
Ooh, how pretty, Jessie.
Don't lose your flag in there.
Oh, yeah, was your turn to lay down and just kiss up on the earth and cut it out?
He's like his sister. He ate too much.
Aaron, you got little stickers in here, and you got a flag, so don't lose the bottom.
Got stickers and a flag.
Yeah.
I like the one on the t-shirt, right? It's the place, Jingle Bell Rock.
Let's see what I can do.
Well, we need them. Don't knock it. Don't feel bad. That girl gave me a thing of soap and a pill box, and I was in Tulsa, and I said, you know, she did well. Everybody uses soap, good soap, yeah. These are great, Mom. Thank you. Thanks, Dad. Yeah, they go with the blue basket. This is terrific. We can always use towels.
I got a neat headband out of it.
I know.
Yeah, really.
Let me hold it.
Uh-oh, these are these fancy ones you can't use.
Oh, what did you got? White towel. White
These are
towel.
these fancy ones you can't use.
That's right. Those are just
ones
for look.
that
Just had
Don't say this.
Renee can use, but Justin can't.
I go in there and I dry my hands. Justin, don't you know?
I saw you. It's just a box.
Go in my bedroom.
We bought some before Grace Mother came.
Daddy gave us all.
Yes, Billy.
There's nothing in my house you can't
These are
use.
great. I love these. I only got one like this.
She worked it.
Yeah, it's high.
Really, there's a little power thing in the back he was using.
Yeah, but these things front won't go together. There's none. Got it open.
Look what Daddy gave me, Mommy.
Orange bar.
I have something for Renee. I locked it in there. Who's gonna get the present?
Those are spares.
That's in case somebody actually showed up.
Here we have the battleground of the presents. We're surveying the battlefield in case there's any survivors here.
No, it just come apart.
It won't go back together.
I know how to put it.
The record.
Aaron, let Mama break it. It's okay.
Mommy, it's hard. I can't take it hard.
I'm so sorry, child. But I can't get into this. You're going to have to... I called her and there is...
Jessica's diary, page 1.
Dear Santa Claus.
Oh, it doesn't even have it belongs to.
I'll put it right in it.
You should borrow my calligraphy pen.
Here, you want that?
What's my
I'll
meaning
zoom
on? I'll write
in. It says the months and
March is a red.
their interpretations.
Truthfulness and courage.
Happiness, yay.
Jonathan.
Oh, yeah.
Hope.
No.
Who's that stranger?
That's good.
Put. Mommy, don't have so much stuff. Put it all in my bag and it got
Wayne, the girl left before I got your kids to finish. It was in
Justin.
77.
Where's my arm? What?
Quite a few years ago.
They should be in there.
That's been quite a few years ago.
A lot of times,
You want to do that?
all day, they take all the silver off of it. Yeah, take it hours. I got to like this.
Just you make it a pretty hair bow. I was with a friend.
This game class, showing the thing, you said, yeah, that's all you say.
I'm sorry, no, I didn't show you. See, so this is it. You remember when she looked like that. You remember when I looked like that. Oh, that's precious.
I'll show you something.
Yeah, draw Mama on the extra stick. I only remember you actually when I kept you. You remember when she was like this? Yeah, and then you moved to the...
Renee, you see this is a live stream?
She was 3. And then we moved away, you would expect her to You moved over to...
There's Santa Claus and stuff. You should have brought the Santa Claus out.
behind, I know, but when Dixie's 9, a year. That was before we lived completely.
Smile, you're on Justin and Renee's.
Candy Karen and I got married. We were in take picture of the light. You don't remember? Because I gave you a church address.
Mama, how you spell your name?
Joey sent an escort with you.
Because he's 24.
Joey sent an escort.
See, it was quick.
Santa gonna drive over the moon and leave a shadow if the moon's not even home.
It doesn't have enough light. I don't think all I get is the light.
Well, let me turn this. Will this one help?
I don't know that it's...
Mom, just you're in my way.
Excuse me. I bet you this would
Turn them
help.
on in the kitchen. I bet you that.
Yeah, that's... All the gifts. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Falling right down the chimney. Here comes a...
We'll find out. They're fire ants, colors. That's what
I guess I had to go around here so I can see the...
Now, Michael, run around the other side and pose.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I know that all you people are super interested in this.
How do I get the call?
You look in the room to here. Now you got it on. You weren't recording on that.
Now it is.
Now it is.
It says REC in there.
What?
It says REC in there.
Yeah.
The REC, that means record. That means it's recorded.
Mommy, you're on camera. You're on camera.
Let me go record the train a little bit.
Daddy, you give it back?
Here we are at Union Station.
I'm Brian Zilla.
Here, Godzilla.
Got Michael.
John Michael Zilla, huh?
Got Michael.
John Michael, look. Somebody parked their 747 there. get on my hands and knees.
Now I can go. Hello, Buster. Come back.
Out the way.
Where's that one that has the smoke coming out?
It isn't running tonight.
What?
It's out of town.
It's bringing in toys for Santa Claus.
Doing polar bear run.
Hey, it won't go down. Did that train coming? Oh, man. I can't get back over here.
Jessica.
No.
Well, it's fucking forward. Bad guy.
I can't stay over there while the train's going. Those bugs are too big. Hey, you! I want to go over. I'm crashing you. Hey, let me flip out. Scraper upper. Scraper upper. Let me take it. Go down the thing, Papa, or I'm going to go into the train and scoop it up. Now, wait, go into the train.
Wrong there. Problem.
You get off the track, maybe? You might be grounding it out up there or something.
Stay off the track.
Try it again. Whoops.
Justin, can you put...
There it goes. Should automatically link up, huh?
Camera doesn't play, so you go to
And wait, that's where my mind make sure it's light. Brian, make sure that's on cloudy and have light. Mom, Papa, next time the train with the door, this train comes over.
Yeah.
Go this way. Yeah, but I need a door open so they can go in. This is the train station. Oh, I need the train station. How do I go get over
Get
there?
your hand out the way. Or get down one.
Here's a train, one more thing. Is there one more thing in there? Hey, I can't get over. I gotta get to my house. Right.
Hey, I'll...
Papa!